want to stack the shelves like Mark?
Oh, I'm the magic man.
Oh, mine.
Oh, shit. The microphone's out of the way.
Boom! Woo!
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy Friday.
Cheers to that. TGIF.
We're drinking vodka Red Bulls today. It's,
My heart's going to be like, whoa!
Can you do that again?
In a little bit, once I drink about half this. We'll just do a mid-episode. Stop chugging it. This is Bryce's go-to drink.
Yes.
It's basically any bar we go to.
Well, vodka Red Bull really gets you amped up. I mean, it really doesn't, actually, because there's not that much caffeine in a Red Bull these days. Because, there is, but, like, they don't give you a full Red Bull. They give you, like, a little bit of a Red Bull.
You probably get, like,
30 or 40 milligrams
I was going to say
caffeine.
40. Like, literally, like, half a cup of coffee, maybe.
But if you're drinking 10 of them, it's 5 cups of coffee.
Not wrong.
Yeah, no, so it's no better way to get amped up for a red day.
I didn't trade today.
I know,
Stocks.
I'm jealous.
But I'm going to talk about this.
Yeah, I'll let
Let's go to the moon. I don't know if we shared our screen there, but I got a good crypto. I slapped this bad boy, this bad biddy. I don't know. It was at 380. I just don't know the exact timeline. Maybe right in here. I've been riding it since. Crypto Rockets is on the case. You're watching it break this incredible breakout. Look at the daily. Oh my God. And then the 30-minute. This is just like, in terms of textbook, this is like, it doesn't get a much better breakout chart than this. This is phenomenal. This is phenomenal. Bryce bought a little bit right before we went live.
I sure did. I'm back in the crypto game. That should be Matt's sell indicator.
No, it would be, but like fundamentally, this chart is so nice. And even with how weak Bitcoin has been,
I know.
it is still about to break out. Oh.
What? Oh.
No, I just bet you it goes, not bet you, like I'm expecting this to go to like 550s plus, and that's where I'll look to sell.
Yeah,
Because 495 is all-time high, in case you can't see the number.
I'm very upset. Every time I get into crypto, now one of two things happens. Normally, number one, Bitcoin
down.
Bitcoin crashes. Bitcoin crashes. Or number two,
Yeah, he is like really consistent. Like,
no, I buy the top every time.
my biggest crypto losses always come when Bryce buys. Like, guaranteed. Guaranteed. The moment I get a text from Bryce, hey, I'm thinking about buying this crypto.
No, I didn't even say that anymore. Now I'm like, dude, I bought the tops in.
Yeah, he's learned. But I'm like, oh no. What's going to happen?
Well, no. So then this time I bought crypto crashed, but my altcoins that I was in didn't. And I was like, oh, crypto's crashing. Sell. Up 100% the next day. That happened twice to me now.
Yeah, it was play.
PLA and...
I tried to trade this one, but it was tough. It just came back down.
Yeah, I know.
But then it ended up ripping to like the threes.
Type in LRC for me. That was the one that really killed me. That killed me.
Gorgeous runner.
So I was in this one from 38 cents.
And it went to $4, basically.
Oh, that red candle you're on right now was the candle I stopped out on.
No.
The next day. The next day it was up like 100, or okay, maybe not day, but you know what I mean. I would have been up like $5,000. I had like a $15,000 position in it. Oh, it kills me.
This one's setting up kind of decent.
What is it?
Crypto.com.
Oh, I did see
But
that.
the problem is there's so much resistance back here now.
Yeah.
But they have Crypto.com Stadium.
But
There's
if
a
it
lot of
goes over
advertisement.
that high, there's no resistance, so it can go to 1 million.
Is that how it works?
That's how it is when see I trade crypto like I trade my stocks, the same pattern. Kind of, not really. It doesn't work the exact same, I suppose. But the problem is, like, when I've got my level 2 in front of me, I'm good. I know when I want to sell. Here, I'm just like, I'm going to bed. We'll see what happens when I wake up in the morning. So I don't have
Good
stop
strategy.
orders.
Good strategy.
Yeah, I just YOLO it. I'm a degenerate.
Good strategy over
Yeah,
there.
it's my play account.
But Mana.
Mana.
I hope it's at even more highs. Oh,
Oh,
sweet Lord.
it's looking so
It's
good.
going. All right. We'll talk about
Yeah,
stocks. So
anyways.
that's what you're here for. We were just getting a little crypto bonus in there.
Well, there's really not a whole lot to talk about. I lost $7,000 today. Actually, not really. I lost like $6,500, which was really frustrating because I made my way back to like negative 1,500. I was like, perfect. I walked away. I drove away. I literally went to the gas station and get water just to walk away from the screens.
You could have just taken a walk around the office or something.
That's not enough because my computer's right there. If I'm in the car, I don't have the option to look at my computer. Walked back and I was like, boom, lost all my money again. Went back down to where I started the day. So brutal. It sucks, but I still had a really good week. I'm still up like 23, 24 grand this week. Hey, you know what? No, hold on. Don't give me that look because you know what? I'm playing with bigger size right now. The markets, I'm feeling the market. This honestly is still like under my average Green Day this week.
You did have a good week.
Yeah, I had a good week.
This is your style market.
No, yeah, it's pop and drop. I love pop and drops. It's just like super because I'm pretty scalpy. So when things have a massive pop really quick, I'm there for it. Oh, pull up one more chart because we haven't even gotten into the charts yet. This one killed me. I lost so much money on it. AUR. And go to the
Aurora Innovation.
I lost.
Oh, that was a nice end of day.
I know. I lost so much in the.
What, they drop an offering?
No. Nope. There was just no volume.
Nope.
There's no news on it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's literally no news.
No, so this is a weird one because go back to the total view. Look at the float.
Oh my Lord, is that real?
Yeah, but over 1 billion or over 1 billion of the float is locked. The actual float is
20 million.
the actual. Well, no, it's like 60. It's like 60 million.
Over
yeah.
a billion.
Yeah. But no, I got chopped up on this in the middle of the day. I was in this trade when I went to go to the gas station. I just had a stop on. And the stop should have been at that like low that right down not low day. Keep going down. Right there. Yeah, that should have been my stop, unfortunately.
Bryce Tui buys tops, sells bottoms.
Well, you pull up VWAP quick. Pull up VWAP for me and just look at how nice it looked midday.
You're picking bottoms left and right here.
Look at that. We had that VWAP perk. That's where I entered. I entered on that VWAP perk. And then just got stopped out while I was in the gas station. And then it ripped end of day. So that one hurt. BKKT, do you want to go over to that one for me?
Bacat.
So it's its first Green Day.
Bacat Holdings.
Like a crow. So I nailed the first move. Well, actually not the first move because thanks.
I almost bought there, but I felt like it was a chase.
Me too. Well, because
And then I was like,
I really wanted it here. I was looking at it this morning and I didn't, after this like pullback, I didn't think anything of it. Then all of a sudden I looked and it was here. And I was like, are you kidding me? And so I slapped here with like 5,000 shares, like sold my pop and drop style market, slapped again with another 5,000 shares and sold the high at daybreak. This felt like a wild chase. So I was like, nah, no, thank you. And then I got chopped up on the backside, unfortunately, on this pop right here. I took 1996 and got sold out on that dump. LGVN, I think I traded this bounce really well. Got in right here.
Yesterday on the live, though.
Yeah, we called.
You got to be there. Push the notification button. Bryce and I looked at each other. We made eye
contact.
And we were like, this is eyes. Like,
we made eyes contact.
Unintended. EYES. We were like, this is eyes. Like, exactly. And it did the eyes move. Mm-hmm. And we just, I hope someone out there nailed it because we saw it and we just traded it
so poorly.
Yeah.
So I didn't even trade it yesterday. No, actually, that's a lie. I got caught on that pop. I
sold at $4.
Yeah, you literally sold.
That's where I sold. I sold at $4.
Let's zoom way in. We didn't do a recap yesterday, so we can't. Matt needs some kind of pain because I'm the one going through all the pain today.
No, I bought like 390. I ended up having basically 390 average. And then at 4, there's just a monster wall of sellers. And even though I thought it was eyes, I was like, I don't want this to dump on me to like 350 because I had like 10,000 shares. And then it broke through 4 and never even came remotely close to 4 again. I was telling everyone on the live deal, I was like, if this pulls back to 4, watch it. It's going to be super important. Never even got close to 4.
Yep.
Like the moment it broke over that 4 level, it just was gone.
And the problem is like this seemed like this was a tough move up here. Like after that morning move, it was a tough entry. Like there maybe here, but besides that, then this seems overextended. And well, when of course, naturally when this seems overextended, this one shouldn't. So I had to buy there. But no, this was a crazy move. And then even today, I bounced it after this double bottom here, from like 930 up to 988. I got chopped up a little back here, but not much. G-Tech was basically trying to beat today's LGVN. Pretty big gap up. And a very micro float. It's like a 3 mil float. I've actually been watching this ticker for months, waiting for this move. And it did it today pre-market, which is fine. But the fact that it happened the day after LGVN, it was kind of like when VPRX. Wow, dyslexia. What was the one that ran after that? There was the next day, there was like a very similar ticker, and they never work as well as the first one. So I was like, this is probably just going to be something I should avoid today. So I mostly avoided it. I got a couple pops. I think I made like $2,000 on it. But it was just so pop and drop. Dump to new highs. Dump. Try new highs. Dump. Break support. Above new highs. Dump. Then breaks new highs after hours. It's just like a really choppy stock. But you know what they say. It is what it is. I don't even know what I lost the majority of my money on today. I know I lost some on BKKT getting chopped up. I traded. This is a day. See, that's a problem. When you don't know what the majority of your loss is from, that's probably because you overtraded.
Yup.
And it was a good little.
I tried to tell him, everyone.
No.
Yes, I did. I said, you're overtrading.
Oh, no, but then I texted you because I thought you went to lunch without me and said, now I have to overtrade because I have to deal with the emotional pain.
I was in a different room, and he's like, way to go to lunch without me. And I was like, I'm here. I'm still here.
Well, I already felt the pain. So I was like, I was already hurt. It couldn't be recovered. No, I knew I was overtrading today.
How's Mana look?
I don't know. I don't know.
Swipe it. 3 fingers. Oh,
Oh, is the high 432?
I don't know what high that is. Is it the high of the last
30
days?
minutes.
Feel like a day, yeah. Yeah.
Dude.
It's we're free sailing to $5 now.
Salvenia.
I'm up 50 cents a share.
I'm up 10 cents a share,
I've
baby.
got a pretty sizable position in this.
Yeah, I know you do. You have a large position in this. Pretty sizable means large when Matt says that. Unfortunately, that's the only thing.
Some people say size doesn't matter.
Well, I was going to say that's about the only thing you got sizable. But sure, yeah. Size doesn't matter.
Size matters if you know how to use it.
Okay, that's valid. I had to think about that for a second. I was trying to do the math in my head there.
Well, you've always been told you've just, small, short. It's tough. I mean, I feel bad for you sometimes. Like,
Matt, I've never been called a short day in my life.
well,
there's a first for everything.
There is. You want to close this out? Did you already finish this? No wonder it's your drinking choice. I can't drink it that fast.
Oh, I can drink anything pretty fast.
My man Andrew makes strong drinks, and then he gives us full glasses.
I know, it's awesome.
He's a wild bartender over here.
Andrew, what's been your favorite cocktail to make us so far? Because I know you have them too. Are you drinking one right now?
Yeah.
What's what's been your favorite one so far?
I think my favorite one was the first one is the mojitos. Those
Oh,
are really good.
that one was good. I like whiskey and tequila. Those are my 2 recommended hard liquors. So the old fashioned was good, but it was strong. That one was the strongest one of all.
Yeah.
I was lit by
Which one?
Old fashioned. I don't think you were here for that one.
I don't think I was here for that one either.
I was lit by the end of the episode. Like in the 10 minutes I was drinking it, I was lit by the end.
No, the day we had it was last week when we had the beers, right? And I had like 2 White Claws or whatever. I had a Shiner and a White Claw. I hadn't eaten lunch. And I walked out here. I was like, I'm a little buzzed. Anyways, to close this out on this small cap recap, some days you win, some days you lose. But whatever you do,
And every day you booze.
and every day you booze. We could have rhymed that better. No, we couldn't have rhymed that better.
Okay, sorry to interrupt. I'll mute myself.
No. I like that. Some days you win, some days you lose. But no matter what, make sure you booze.
Horrible advice. Do you have a better line to end on?
Some people go rich, some people go broke. My main focus, what rhymes with broke, is to always stay stoked.
Oh, okay. I was going to say is to please the folk.
Okay, yeah. Some people go rich, some people go broke. My main focus is always to stay stoked. The end. No, thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to turn on your post notifications. We are going. Are we going live next week?
Let's leave it up. Let's see what happens. I don't know if we should do market open or market close. We've done a lot of market opens. What if we did a market close live stream? We haven't done that yet. Would
Let us
that
know
be
down in the
valuable?
comments.
Can more people watch it? Because we usually get pretty close to 1,000 people live, which is awesome. Super cool.
Very cool.
But it's like we trade the close. So is close like more valuable? Will more people be able to attend? Drop it in the comments. Let us know.
Yes. Let us know down in the
What
comments.
else do they have
below.
to do, Tui?
Well, you have to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that.
Yeah, if you haven't done that and you're still watching,
I know. Like,
Why are you here? And if you're new, welcome.
and
don't-
still
we-
hit the
we-
subscribe button.
We don't drink every day, just on Fridays.
Well, I don't drink every day. Matt Monaco here. Matt likes to drink and trade.
No. You're putting me in
Well,
the same
if
class.
I do a bunch of drugs, then I
You're
guess you
putting
can
me-
drink every day in the market.
You're putting me in the same class as Steven Johnson.
As you should be.
No, I should not be.
What are you saying to my man Steven Johnson?
My man Jonk said, Matt is God today.
He
And then
did.
he followed up and said,
Matt is Christ.
Matt is Christ.
That was yesterday. But
In the small cap rocket.
see, he's so
tower.
drunk he can't even remember what day it was. All right, guys, make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe. Let us know if end of day would work better for you for live trading. We will see you here next week. I'll actually be at home,
It
so I
is-
might zoom in. It's Thanksgiving week.
I'll for sure be in the office at least on Monday.
Yeah.
Are you coming Monday?
No. Not.
Not to the office?
I mean, I can, but my flight leaves like early afternoon.
Okay. Well, I'll
So-
live stream Monday.
Yeah.
And then we'll see what happens.
Okay.
Thanksgiving week is usually wild, just
I
some words of
know.
wisdom, because the volume gets light. There's usually not many plays, and then you just get that wild one.
It's like 400% on like 2 shares. Not actually two.
100,000 shares. Maybe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Those are always the ones that like go like you see the crazy ones that'll be like it would be $10 and it'll go to 100 and just halt up, halt up, halt up.
GLZI or something. Yeah, that was the one last year that went from like $10 to like 160 in a day.
Yeah, like that's the type of
On
moves
no volume.
you get on
Yeah.
Thanksgiving.
There's
Yeah.
That was my first parabolic short. I took 10 shares, got a 50% winner. All right.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that was wild. That was wild. Okay, now we're actually gone. You guys know what to do. We'll see you next week. Happy Friday.
If you're going home, spread this with your family. Like, if they're not into trading, Fridays are a very good episode to share with the fam because it's like entertainment and trading knowledge are like 50-50.
That's always the goal. Although if you let me get going, the entertainment aspect is way higher.
This vodka Red Bull's got him a little buzz. Look at his face. He gets red.
I do. No, that's thanks to my mother. My mother can be the one to thank for that. She's got like an allergy to alcohol.
You're
And so-
allergic?
Yes, I get rashes every time I
Oh, I
drink.
thought you were just blushing.
No, I get rashes every time I drink.
I didn't
like,
know that.
My skin lights up. Like
I've been
it's-
drinking with you for like 6-7 years.
Yeah, you should see it on my chest. Like
2
my,
years. 2 years, police. 2 years.
If the FBI was listening to this, it's only been 2 years. It's only been 2 years since we've been drinking together. All right, we should get going.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Do everything we said. Share this with everyone.
Oh, and one more thing to say about Mana.
Close us out, Andrew.
I didn't learn anything.
I hope you all enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching the whole thing and being part of the Stocks Trade community. We wouldn't be here without all of you. So if you have not already, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Our goal at Stocks Trade is to reach 100,000 YouTube subscribers by the end of the year. So if you like the content we're putting out and you want to hear more, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.